Today we're going to talk about the powder coating process at Dingo. At Dingo we have a full pull-through system where we start at one end with our sandblasting of the product. We also go through and we chip the product just like we are here in this bit of film at the moment, where everything is inspected, cleaned properly, and all the sharp edges are deburred and debagged. It then goes through the sandblasting process where everything is sandblasted, and then it goes through a zinc undercoat process. The undercoat just protects the powder a little bit better. It's a wet process. Now, undercoating is a choice in powder coating. Some companies do, some companies don't. We do. Then it goes into the powder room where we actually go and spray the powder on at the moment. The powder is actually charged. You have a positive charge on the powder and a negative charge on the attachment that you're painting. And the powder is actually blasted towards the metal, and it actually adheres through the magnetic force of the charges. The powder actually will go around the product, so that even if it's a round piece of pipe, the powder actually goes right around the product because it's being drawn by the electronic charges, and therefore it's a total full coat. Now at this stage the powder is actually dry. If you actually wipe your finger on it, you actually wipe it off. So the powder sits at a certain micron stick, which is all set for the particular product. It's then the whole rack is just dragged through into the oven. Now our oven is set up to take 2 of these racks, and once the doors are closed, the oven is then heated to 200 degrees C, and it's kept in there for a certain amount of time depending on the thickness of the metal in the of the product being cooked. At the end of it all, we open doors at the other end of the oven and drag the product out into the fresh, clean air to just dry and cool off. But I think that everything is powder coated. We don't use paint on anything. It's a total powder coated process because it's much stronger, harder, and a better end result.